EBT doesn't work on Walmart pickup. Most of the time when the order includes non-eligible items or the pickup slot hasn't been properly linked to SNAP payment at checkout. By the end, you'll know why Walmart EBT pickup fails, how to fix it step by step, and how to prevent it on your next order. Here's what's going on. First, Walmart pickup orders only accept EBT for eligible SNAP food items. If your cart includes items like household supplies, alcohol, or other non-covered products, the system will block EBT from processing the order. This means even a single non-eligible item can cause the entire pickup payment to fail, or force a payment split. Next, check how your payment method is set up in the Walmart app. Open your Walmart account, go to your pickup order and look at the payment section. If EBT is not selected as the primary payment method for eligible items, the system may default to another card or reject the transaction. Now here's the part most people miss. Walmart pickup uses a pre-authorization system. That means your EBT card must have enough available SNAP balance at the time the order is placed, not just at pickup. If the balance changes before fulfillment, the order can fail. If your pickup order already failed, the fix is usually to remove non-eligible items and place a new order with only SNAP-approved groceries. Another fix is to double-check your EBT card information in the app. If the card is expired, locked, or has incorrect PIN data, Walmart cannot process the authorization, even if the balance is available. Also, check your pickup time slot. In some cases, switching time slots resets the payment authorization and allows EBT to process correctly on the next attempt. If everything looks correct and it still fails, the issue is usually on the SNAP processor side, not Walmart. That means you may need to try again later, or use a backup payment method for non-eligible items. The key idea is simple. Walmart pickup EBT only works when the order is fully eligible, properly authorized, and matched to an active SNAP balance. Summary. EBT pickup fails when non-eligible items are included. It also fails when authorization or balance timing doesn't match. And most issues are fixed by rebuilding the order with only SNAP-approved items. Next step is simple. Review your cart before checkout, and make sure every item qualifies for SNAP before placing a pickup order. If you want more clear Walmart payment fixes like this, subscribe for more simple guides.